For my viewers, listen to this video, because how can you enhance voice in CapCut? For Delhi, the enhancement is that this video is in-depth, so go like the video. If you're new to the channel, first step, open CapCut. Second step, bring in the video, import it. Third step, bring it onto the timeline. Fourth step, you'll find the record option here. Click on it. Now here, turn on and start with Echo, Mute, Project, and Enhanced Voice. Now the recording has started. I've recorded some audio. Let me play it for you from here. Dear friends, in this video, I'll tell you how you can add auto captions in CapCut. If you like the video, please like it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press that bell icon. Let's start the video. How did you like this video? If you liked it, like the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. And share this video with 3 friends.